Hello everyone, we are going to compare two guitars from Yamaha. The first one we have is a F310P and the next one we have is a FG720S, and we got Pradeep here who's going to test the two guitars.
Let's play an open chord just to see how the sound is.
So this is the F310. One. So this is the 720. So Pradeep, what's the verdict? Which one? What's your
equally Yamaha makes very good guitars, but if we compare these two guitars, this has more rich sound quality and even the volume is little louder than this guitar.
Okay, so 720.
FG720S
Thank you.
better than F310P.
All right.
Even the price wise, this is a bit higher guitar. This is a solid wood guitar.
Yep.
So this wins.
Okay. Hope this helps somebody.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pradeep.
Welcome.